Good afternoon, all of you. Now we completed our PT1 exam. All of you got your answers also. And I told you to write that answers one time on your notebook. But only some students sent. Okay, remaining students also want to send as possible. Okay. Now, last class we discussed that decimals multiplication. And related with that decimals multiplication, we do already done some problems, word problems. Now next we want to discuss the word problem, question number 8. Okay, so all of you take your textbook, take page number 44, and look the question 8. Okay, all of you read the question first. If the cost of 1 meter of cloth is 75 rupees 36 paise, find the cost of 7.25 meters of cloth. Okay, cost of 1 meter of cloth is given. That is how much rupees? 75 rupees and 36 paise. Then what will be the cost of 7.25 meter of cloth? How we can find it? Yeah, by multiplication. So first we can write the steps. How we can write the step? Cost of 1 meter of cloth. First write cost of 1 meter of cloth equal how much rupees that is given? 75 rupees and 36 paise. Okay, 75 rupees and 36 paise. We want to find the cost of how much? 7.25 meter. So what will be the cost of? Therefore, cost of 7.25 meter of cloth, that will be equal to 75.36 into 7.25. Multiply that to, now here both are decimal numbers. Then what is the rule of multiplication of decimals? Yeah, first we multiply the numbers by avoiding the decimal point. So we are multiplying 7536 with 725. Do this multiplication. Okay, in the working column you can do that multiplication. You will get the answer as this type 5. This much you will get that answer. Okay. Now after that you count how many decimal numbers here in this 2 decimals are there. Here also 2 decimal numbers. Total 4 decimal numbers are there. 4 decimal places are there. That much places we want to move left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can put the decimal point here. So what we can write the last answer as how much rupees? 546 rupees and 36 paise. Very easy question. Only you want to know normal multiplication of numbers we know. So here when we multiply with decimal numbers, first multiply the numbers by avoiding the decimal points. Then after that count how many decimal places are there. In this number 2 decimal places. Here also 2 decimal places. Total 4 decimal places are there. That much places we want to move to left side. So here we already moved 4 side left. So we will get 546.36 rupees. That is 546 rupees and 36 paise. Next question. All of you read the next question. Question number 9. Read. Take the question number 9 in the textbook. What is the question? Savitri's car gives an average of 10.5 kilometer per liter. 10.5 kilometer per liter of fuel. Savitri's car gives an average of 10.5 kilometer per liter of fuel. That means using 1 liter, then how much kilometer, how much distance she can travel? 10.5 kilometer. Then how many liters of fuel does Savitri needs if she has to cover 262.5 kilometer? So if she need to travel 262.5 kilometer, how much liters of petrol is needed? That is the question. So how we can start? All of you read the question at least 2 times. Then how we can write that solutions? First we can write distance travelled using 1 liter. Okay, using 1 liter of petrol, how much distance she can travel? Using 1 liter of petrol, the distance travelled is how much? 10.5 kilometer. 10.5 kilometer she can travel using 1 liter of petrol. Then here we want to find out to travel 262.5 kilometer, how much petrol is needed. So how we can write the next step? Quantity of fuel needed. Quantity of fuel need for traveling. Okay, for traveling. That I will give in the notebook as correct order I will give. So quantity of fuel needed for traveling how much kilometer? 262.5 kilometer. 262.5 kilometer. That will be how much? How we can find out that? Okay, how much petrol is needed to travel this much kilometer? 262.5 kilometer. How we can find out? Multiplication or division? Yeah, division. So that will be 262.5 divided by 10.5. So decimal numbers division, how we can do? We want to, when we divide decimals, first we want to try to avoid the decimals in the denominator part. To avoid the decimal from the denominator, which number we want to multiply here? Here only one decimal place, so we can multiply by 10. So which multiply in the denominator, same number we want to multiply on the numerator also. So it will be 262.5 into 10 divided by 10.5 into 10. That will be equal to 2625 divided by 105. Okay. So that answer will get by division. Do the division on the working column. After dividing, you will get the answer as 25. So what will be the unit? What we are finding here? Quantity of fuel. That how much petrol is needed. So the unit will be 25 liter. Okay. Then one more question we can discuss. That is question number 10. How much will a milkman earn by selling 12.45 liters of milk if he sells 1 liter of milk for 21 rupees and 40 paise? How much will a milkman earn by selling 12.45 liters of milk? That milkman sold total how much milk sold? He sold 12.45 liters of milk. He sold, and given for 1 liter of milk, when he sell 1 liter of milk, he will get how much rupees? 21 rupees and 40 paise. So how much will be the total amount he got by selling 12.45 liter? That we want to find out. So how we can start the steps? All of you try to write the steps. What will be? First we can write money got by selling 1 liter of milk. Okay, money got by selling 1 liter of milk. How much? That we can write that is given how much? 21 rupees and 40 paise. That means by selling 1 liter of milk, he will get how much rupees? 21 rupees and 40 paise. Therefore, the money got by selling 12.45 liter. Therefore, money got by selling 12.45 liter will be equal to, what will be here? Multiplication or division? Here also multiplication. That means 12.45 into 21.40. Okay, do that division in the working column by avoiding the decimals. That is 1245 multiply with 2140. multiply, all of you do that multiplication on your working column. Then the answer will get how much rupees, 266 rupees and 43 paise. 266 rupees and 43 paise. Okay. Now this much question, 3 question we discussed today. So, some more question remaining. Then one question you want to do as homework. Question number 11 and 12. Question number 2 questions you can do as homework. Write down these 3 questions on your notebook, and the questions 11 and 12 you do on your notebook. Okay. Thank you.